Look at the date on the screenshot of me starting this funded account challenge. 24th of July 2025 at 4:01 p.m. I paid $58 to Top Step to start my monthly subscription and start this funded account challenge. Now look at this one. Just 6 days later, I was paying the activation fee. You can only pay the activation fee once you have passed this funded account. That's a 50K account funded in less than 7 days. Most traders normally blow their accounts by day 3, or they drag it out for weeks and months just to scrape by, or then even fail. They are terrified of making the wrong move, mess up emotionally, and game plan goes out the window. They're using different methods, but the same results. Account blown. I do something completely different. I treat it like a video game. I don't try to trade. I use my proven AMN model. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. This is what I use to pass this 50K account. The list goes on and actually get payouts from these accounts. Now, the first thing I do is have patience, okay? So many traders, when they jump on their accounts, they just start taking random setups thinking, yeah, I just need to pass this. Don't really care about the quality. Boom, blown, okay? I sit on my hands and I wait for the perfect setup every single time. So I open my charts and mark my 15-minute structure. I can see high, low, higher, high. I am clearly bullish, and I know my advantage would be looking for buys given this price action. However, currently, if I look at this internal structure, I can see price is internally bearish, but externally bullish. That tells me right now that price is in the pullback phase, and I want to get involved in the expansion phase, okay? Because as we know, in an uptrend or a downtrend, price always has 2 cycles: expand, pull back, expand, pull back. Me trading the expansion phase is a lot higher probability than trading the pullback phase. So can you see here? I've got my external direction from this low to this high, showing me that we are bullish externally, but internally we are breaking structure to the downside, showing me current momentum is with the sellers. Now, for me to take an A plus trade, like I said, is when both internal and external align. That means I need price to come and take this high here currently. That tells me that this pullback has stopped and price is ready to expand higher, giving me my A plus probability environment and my highest probability zones. But this is where 90% of traders blow their funded account, because they don't wait for the perfect setup. They just feel like taking a random buy or sell so they can get this challenge over with. And I've learned the hard way, okay? I get an A plus setup pretty much at least once a day, or at least 3 to 4 times a week. I just need the patience. You just need the patience to wait for it. Taking these high A plus setups, your win rate is going to go so much higher. You're going to make a shit ton more money instead of just hoping for the best. And the worst thing is when hoping for the best works, because then you try it again, you lose, and you'll never see consistency. So to start, I had a great game plan, I had a great idea, but I touched nothing. My funded account was still on $0. No trades taken, because I wanted to see this expansion phase start. And that's the key. That's the holy grail. I'm not hunting the market for setups. I'm letting the market show me its hands, letting it show me exactly what I want to see, and then I'm entering a trade. Now, as we play price on, as the day progresses, what can I see? Right, again, I can't touch it until my environments are aligned. And as we can see, boom, here, my environments are aligned. By that, my internal and my external are matching, making this a high probability time to now get involved in my trade and catch that expansion where the momentum is. But now price has broken this high and closed above. I have an internal bullish zone now. We've gone from bearish to bullish, and I'm looking for price to retrace into here to continue higher. I even see we have a lovely area of demand here. Okay, so a good zone. And if we mark out this, I can see this higher time frame, 6 tap playing out. We had the break structure, we've had the liquidity, we've swept liquidity, we've come into this bullish fair value gap, we've shifted internally. Everything is leading me up to buys towards this external high here. Trading this range was low probability. Waiting for this pattern, waiting for this reaction. Now this is a high probability area, a high probability trade. Now this is a textbook AMN setup. And for those who don't know what it is, we're just waiting for a zone, liquidity to be formed within the zone. So there is our zone, liquidity to be formed within this zone, price to sweep it and expand higher. So as we can see, there is our zone, liquidity formed within our zone, we've swept it, and now we can continue higher towards this external high. If you don't know what the aim and strategy is and you want to learn it in more detail, then please watch this video here. The zone is always where we broke structure, and the liquidity is always the tap back in that pushed price higher. So you can see we have swept that, got that shift, higher probability model here. This low here is where all the early buyers that got stopped out. All the breakout traders, they see this break, retracement, they look to enter, they think they've caught the real move, but we've actually come down to stop them all out, gathered all that liquidity to now get the real move. Now everything's aligning. All right, I'm watching, I'm eager, I'm ready to get in, but I need to see price retrace into here and give me my structural confirmation, not just wing it and pray this zone is going to hold. Like I said, this is a high probability zone, but I need to see confirmation. Right now we have nothing. Boom, big candle back into this zone. I want to see a reaction from this zone to tell me price wants to continue higher. What is that reaction? That's going to be a lower time frame structural confirmation. So as I drop down to this lower time frame, currently I have zero structure. Okay, I'm watching this zone here for a buy, but I need that lower high, lower low. I don't have that yet, so I have to sit on my hands. Now what can I see? A nice lower low, lower high, lower low. So us getting the structural break within this zone we found, and that is my confirmation this zone is going to be respected and price wants to push higher. Let's play price out. Again, I need a candle close. I cannot enter off a wick. Boom. Strong candle close, displacing above this, shift in structure. This is my confirmation. As extra confluence, what can I see? Look what we did here. We swept all these lows and then immediately bounced. Look how many lows. 1 low, 2 low, 3 low, 4 low, 5 low, 6 low. Swept all these lows and then immediately shift in structure within our bullish bias. This is now everything I needed to see to enter this trade. Now I want to enter anywhere within this zone. So anywhere within this zone here, we have now created, right, our flip zone, because this is where we've got to change the character, the flip. Stop loss at the low. And ideally, I am targeting this high here. But I like to go for a simple 1 to 1.5. I then go back and play it out on my higher time frame. Play that out. There we get tagged in. We let price do its thing. Boom. SL respected. TP hit. Higher high made. Expansion model has been complete, right? We are now expanding within the structure. Perfect. Now I can risk 1,000 on this or 2% on my 50K account. I've made 1,500. Now for most 50K futures firms, that is half my prop firm completed. Now I wait, okay? Sit on my hands, I don't react, let the market do its thing. If you personally want me to walk you through this exact strategy and hold you accountable until you're actually passing these funded account challenges, I've opened up spots to my one-on-one mentorship. I guarantee you'll become a 6-figure funded trader, or I'll keep working with you until you do so. Link in the description below. I can only take limited spots because I only want to take people who are really serious about their trading journey. Now my rules here are simple once I have entered this trade, okay? As price approaches TP, I like to manage risk. I don't want to see price come back below this low here, which is pretty much break even. Okay, that way my risk is off the table. If I lose, I've lost about $50, but I've made my 1,500 bucks. So it is a great, because as you can see here, we also are presented with another 6 tap continuation setup. Boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We sweep the liquidity, we sweep those early buyers, and boom, shift in structure. Where do we continue? TP at number 5. Can you see how amazing this is? Happens day in, day out. As you can see, I took this and called this live, right? This exact CL setup, set my limit, set my TP, set my SL, told everyone where I'm going break even. I'm all out there, great trade, TP hit, and we approach that number 5. Now, okay, I'm up 1.5%. I'm almost past my account. What am I going to do? Am I going to force another trade? Am I going to quickly say, okay, let me just quickly take another trade and yeah, I've got a buffer now, I can smash TP. No, don't be stupid. This is how you're going to blow your account. I'll wait until the next day. And what do I want to see? I want to see the exact same pattern again. Okay, I want to see this exact pattern if I'm looking for a buy. I want to see this exact pattern if I'm looking for a sell. Same pattern, same structure, same model. It's like the market is giving me a glitch. It's giving me all the signs. Yo, take this trade. Yo, sit on your hands until you see this pattern. I enter the exact trade, right? With the exact rules, with the exact risk. Boom, that trade hits TP. Guess what? I have passed the account and I didn't take a single losing trade because I had the patience to wait for an A plus only. Even if I only got 2 A pluses in 4 days, they were both A pluses. They both hit TP. I passed my account in 4 days. This is 10 times quicker than taking 1 win, 1 loss, 1 loss, 1 win, 1 win, 1 loss, 1 loss. You spent a month and you're still on the same balance. Make it make sense. You could have taken 2 trades, passed the account, less stress. And this is what I mean by a foolproof method. It's not that I never lose trades. It's that the system is designed to put the edges in my favor and executing at the highest probability. I am a lot more likely to hit TP than SL because I have that patience to wait for it to see everything I want to see. Because when you take A plus trades and you only take those, naturally, right, regardless, your win rate is going to go up. And now challenge passed, account funded, rinse and repeat. So that's the full breakdown of how you can pass your funded account in 7 days. No theory, showing you what I actually do with proven results. And this doesn't work because I'm special or I have some crazy indicator telling me what to do, because I treat this like a video game. Find the glitch, I exploit it, I repeat. What is the glitch? It's the AMN model. It's this pattern. This is the glitch. This is what I trade. It's just market structure doing its thing like it always does. You can go back to 1980s, you can trade today. There's always structure. It always follows a specific pattern. While most traders are trying to trade everything under the sun, I'm only trying to trade this here. If you want to see exactly how I identify these setups on the chart, then I've broken down a full AMN breakdown in this video here. And if you're serious about getting funded, want me to mentor you, book a call through the link below. I only work with traders who treat this like a real business. Apart from that, thank you for watching as always, and I'll catch you in the next video.